we've just worked our way through basic horticulture, and I've learned so much in the process.
There is a lot of levels to it that I didn't know was available.
Because I love nature, I love gardening, I like working outside.
The course itself is really hands-on, practical.
I just can't believe my luck that this course is here, and it's energised me.
It's been such a welcoming course.
We just fit nicely together, and everybody in the group has something to offer.
I improve my English through what I love.
We're learning off of each other.
First month it was really not easy for me. Yeah, I was a bit nervous, really.
And I think that's the confidence that the course has given me, is don't be scared not to try it.
And I'm starting again, so there we go.
Good weather, good company, and learning about gardening has been really good.
That is brilliant course, really.
I've already applied for the next course because it's just so satisfying.
Pick up the phone and chat to somebody in UHI and just go and jump into it.
This is just a taster. There's so much more to come.